Hi, debate students. I hope you had an okay spring break. I know mine wasn't as good as I had hoped. I was supposed to be down at Gulf Shores, but apparently that did not happen because of travel restrictions. So, in case you didn't realize that this class actually started 2 weeks ago, um, there was homework from 2 weeks ago. I will still take it this week. Obviously, I know there was some confusion because you guys were told elective classes didn't start until this week, but then they included elective English courses as part of English courses. So technically, we did start 2 weeks ago. If you didn't get to the ones from 2 weeks ago, please do those this week as well. So for this week, you are going to read two news ELA articles, and then you are going to write a paragraph for each one. And you are also going to find another article of your own choosing to have the same claim with another piece of evidence. Everything is done and filled out for you on Google Classroom under the instructions for the week. I have everything done up until the week of April 24th. So if you want to go ahead and do things earlier, go for it. Otherwise, just make sure that the things are in on the due dates, which are always the Friday at the end of the week. All right, hopefully I will see you guys soon. Bye.